the reason all of this is such a giant mess is the discovery process is broken. And so consequently, if you look at traditional data leakage prevention tools and data governance tools, for the most part, they're all like, rules and pattern-based approaches to understanding data. I like to use the simple analogy. Like if I give you a document and I told you, hey, does this document have social security numbers in it? You as a human would 100% be able to tell me whether there's a social security number in there or not. But you can figure out if that is a social security number or if it is a PG&E light pole number masquerading as a social security number. And the reason you can do that is because you would be looking at the document as a human and trying to make sense of, okay, what is this document talking about? Does this number make sense as a social security number in the context of what I'm looking at? And so you're using the broader context of the document and the sort of inferences that you're deriving from that to additionally layer on top of the specific numbers that you see to figure out if something is a social security number or not. Whereas machines do the complete opposite, because machines in the data security world have been trained to go look for a 9-digit number. It hasn't mattered whether that 9-digit number is a social security number or it's not. And so they've often lacked the context necessary. And so when we started the company, the problem was clear. Then the question that we set out to figure out is, okay, are there any new technologies, innovative technologies that have emerged that will allow us to solve this? Now, this was 2019. My co-founder Madhu, who was running the internal data science program at Schwab, and I successfully convinced to come join me on this journey, had been looking at transformers and deep learning, and he said, hey, we can probably use language models. And by the way, this is 3 years before ChatGPT. So, it's not like these were household terms at that time. He said, hey, maybe we can use language models to understand data, right? So we can look at a document and say, okay, this is a resume, or this is a contract, or this is a wire transfer document. And so when we're actually looking at that 9-digit number, we can actually ascertain if it's actually a social security number or a PII information, and then place it within the context of what we're looking at.